Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited. I have the Haus Labs brand new Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon. I picked up 3 shades from Lady Gaga's brand new lip crayons. I'm going to review those on camera for you guys, show you how they look, do some swatches, and give you my thoughts. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so I just want to say that I am going to start doing my videos a little bit differently. I'm still going to be doing my reviews. However, throughout the reviews, I'm going to be going over the 4 F's. Funds, which is the part that I talk about where you can buy it, how much it costs. Formula, we're going to get into what's inside the product, ingredients that are in the product, and the packaging that it comes in. Face, we're going to apply it to my face, see how it looks. And then we're going to come together at the end for my final thoughts. So those are the 4 F's. I'm going to start doing all of my videos using the 4 F's. I just think it's a little fun way to mix things up and to give you guys a more clear understanding. I also feel like it helps me, like sometimes I get in front of the camera, you guys, I don't have cue cards or note cards or anything written down, and I think that this will help my videos to flow. You know what? Seriously, just cut me off. Cut me off. Okay, cut me off. I didn't even have any coffee. I don't know what my problem is. All right, so let's talk about funds. Okay, just going to give you a little bit of information about the product. She launched 12 shades of this lip crayon. They can be found on Amazon or houselabs.com. Amazon is a super convenient. It's the weirdest thing to me still, though, that she has her makeup through Amazon, but it's fine because I have Prime and it got to me literally overnight. So that's fine. Like I said, she launched 12 shades. They're $18 a piece, and you get 0.049 ounces worth of product in each lip crayon. Let me show you. I just want to turn one up so you can see exactly how much comes inside. So that's a pretty good amount, honestly. For $18, I think she prices her items pretty fairly, especially considering who she is. I think she recognizes that she's new to the makeup game, and I just don't think she wanted to price her stuff too high. I think she's very fair with the way she prices her makeup. All right, so now let's talk about the formula. On houselabs.com, it says, this full coverage creamy formula strikes in one swipe with unexpected comfort and lightweight matte payoff, wrapping lips in smoother, fuller looking color you can sink your teeth into. It is a lip crayon that dries matte. It's water resistant, streak free, and budge proof, allegedly. Smooth glide, non-feathering, lightweight, water resistant. And then it does go into list all of the ingredients, but I'm really not like an ingredient snob. I mean, I try to pick up clean beauty items when I can, but otherwise, if you guys want to check out the ingredients, you can just go to houselabs.com. All of her products are cruelty-free and vegan. And, I mean, let's get into it, you guys. Don't get me started on Lady Gaga. I love her. My sister actually took me for my 27th or 28th birthday. We went and stayed overnight in Chicago, and we saw her in Wrigley Field, which for anybody who watches sports, you know that is a historic ballpark. The ballpark itself was kind of wonky. The seats were tiny. I mean, that stadium or that ballpark is so old. But it was really cool to be somewhere so historic with my sister in Chicago. Lady Gaga, she killed it. We were standing on our feet the entire time, dancing. And like the coolest part about the concert was she is so freaking inclusive of everybody in the LGBTQ community. People were dressed, people were drag, people wore rainbow everything. Like, people were living their best lives, and it was the best because it was a judgment-free zone. And I just love everything that Lady Gaga's about. She's raw, she's open, she is just aside from the fact that she is an extremely talented musician, and I think it was only right for her to get involved in the beauty game. Like, come on. So let's try out these lip crayons. Let's get into the face part of this video. So I picked up 3 shades, Miami Tango, Dust, and Rebel. So let's do Miami Tango first. Now let me wipe off my hand because I kind of already did a couple of light swatches, as you can see right here. So I have my makeup wipes. Oh, and my lips. So I'm going to start with the shade Miami Tango, which is described as a red-orange. These are what the components look like. They're little matte crayons. And it's so funny because when I saw these online, I swore it was dual-ended. I don't know what I was thinking, but this... Wait, is this a sharpener? Or did I just break it? I definitely just... Okay, this was not supposed to come off. So... Don't take that off. Well, how do you sharpen it then? I guess you don't. I guess you have to use your own sharpener. That's interesting. Okay, so here is Miami Tango on the hands. As you guys can see, definitely one swipe coverage. Here is what it looks like. You guys, please do not mind my self-tanner. I know it's... Oh my god, it's trifling. Okay. Alright, so let's put Miami Tango on the lips.
Open up, you OPN, bitch you won't BBM, we should be closer than friends, if you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda, request my chariot to get ya.
Alright, so here is the shade Miami Tango. Love it. Love it. Let's see if it's smudge proof. It went on super smooth. It felt like silk. Like, honestly, it's so lightweight. And I was, actually, here's the thing. I'm not a huge, like, I don't wear matte lipsticks, liquid lipsticks on a daily basis at all. And I find with tube lipsticks that they smudge everywhere, they wear off. This could be the perfect option for those of us who don't like a drying matte lip formula, but we don't want anything to budge or you know, crack or look dry, whatever. So let's see. I mean, it came off a little bit, but it still looks like I didn't do anything to it, so she killed it with this formula. Killed it. Next, I'm going to try on the shade Rebel, which is described as a pink punch. So let's put some on the back of my hand. Again, glides on extremely smooth. No issues with that whatsoever. This product is very buttery and smooth.
Open up, you OPN.
Okay, so here is the shade Rebel. Don't mind me, I overlined the shit out of my lips. It's fine. Again, the coverage feels very nice and lightweight. It doesn't feel drying at all. Let's give it the kiss test. And even less came off with that one there. So they really are truly a matte finish. But the nice part about it is it just doesn't feel heavy like liquid lipsticks do. I'm really loving this. Let's try out the last shade. Now, I also decided to pick up a more wearable, everyday type of shade. This is called Dust, and this is a nude pink. Dust is a nude pink shade. No. Yes. No. Yes, nude pink. Because there's another one that's a nude mauve shade. So let's try this one out. This one I think I could really get into. Oof. Stunning. Perfect to wear to work if you're not really like a bright lipstick type person. This is definitely much more wearable shade. Okay, I'm having a my lips but better moment. Wow. This shade is everything. I loved every shade that I applied. Literally, like, nothing came off with that one. I have to get into my final thoughts, you guys. Let's talk about these lip crayons. I am so impressed. So glad that I picked these up. Well worth every penny that I spent. Lady Gaga, you have truly entered the beauty game strong. I know you've been in it for a little while now, but these lip crayons are really, really a great option for people like me who hate the heavy, dry, cakey feeling of wearing a liquid lip, who cannot wear lipsticks because it smudges everywhere and it doesn't dry down properly. Okay, these are perfect. Wow, I absolutely love them. So thank you guys so much for watching my review. Please, before you go, if you could hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on. Leave me a comment. What did you think of my review? Do you like these colors? Have you tried anything from Haus Labs before? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.